Good day everyone, I go by the name Skyward. You can see this video. I am an affiliate marketing coach and I train people on how to make money online. Presently I'm still teaching people on how to make money on ClickBank, and so as you can see, this is really giving me great sales. So to earn big money like this, contact me on my Gmail at skyward.gmail.com. But first, watch my video to see what I have for you. Thank you. Good day everyone, I go by the name Skyward. If you can see this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Yes, making money online from home is what most people want now and everybody will like to do. And for you to be a successful home money maker, there are things you need to know, and there are platforms which they are efficient and can help you to get to your goals fast. And one of the platforms you can use to earn money online from home is affiliate marketing platform. And we have different affiliate marketing platforms. We have ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and the likes. So I'll be training you on how to make money online through ClickBank affiliate marketing. And first, I want to explain what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is just selling a particular product for a company and getting commission for each product to sell. Commission, I mean, for instance, if you sell a product for $100, you can be given a commission of $20 out of the $100 as the commission for you selling the product. So that is what affiliate marketing is. And for you to have a great commission and many commission, you need to make many sales. And there are different ways by which you can get many sales. And one of the important backbone of getting big sales is getting targeted traffic to access your affiliate link and product online. And there are ways by which you can get people to access your affiliate link and product online. And you have two major ways. You have the free traffic system and the paid traffic system. Yes, the paid traffic system is just paying social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube to create adverts for you. Yes, sometimes when you are browsing, maybe on your Facebook, you can just see an advert that, okay, see this product, buy this product. So that is a paid traffic system. You paying digital platform like Facebook, Instagram to create an advert for your product. And another method is free traffic system, which involves the use of softwares and other tech equipment, like digital equipment, for you to get traffic to your affiliate product. And that is where I come in, because I'm a software developer and I've developed a software which I've been using over the time now, and it has been giving me excellent results like the one you can see on this screen. Yes, this is the account of one of my students that got my software and video course. He got it on January 9th and it started earning on 10th. Yes, my software work by generating more than 2,000 organic traffic daily and promoting your affiliate link or product to this organic traffic for you to get commission daily. Yes, with my software you are going to get daily commission. You are going to be earning daily on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Because my software is not only applicable to ClickBank alone, but you can use it to make money like this on other affiliate marketing platforms like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and the likes. So to get my software and video course and start any big on any of your affiliate marketing platform, contact me now on my Gmail at skyward.gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyward.gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen now to get my software and video course and start any big money on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Contact me now for you to get my complete video course. And also, if I get my software, my video course comes with it, and my video course will take you step by step on how to use my software to earn on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Remember, my video course is self-explanatory, but still, if you want me to help you on anything, I'm always accessible to my students. My students know that you can always message me at any time. I will reply you and I will guide you on how to go about any issue you have. So contact me now on my Gmail at skyward.gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen now to get my software and video course and start any big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Once again, I go by the name Skyward and I train people on how to make money online. Thank you.